Hello and welcome to our home tech. There's a great news in this video. Everyone knows about Capcut, which is famous for TikTok videos, which is available on mobile devices, Android and iOS. Now it's available on the desktop as well. So now it's available for macOS and Windows. So to download it, what you have to do, you can go to capcut.com. Then you can download for open your browser, and also you can download for Windows. So if you go to Mac, then you can download for Mac as well. It's available to Mac OS, and also it's available for Windows um, Store and also Mac Store as well. So you can download it. Once it's downloaded, so this is how it's going to install. So I am trying to install it. Okay, let's download it. So you need to agree and click install. So this is going to install now. So it's quite fast. So I'm sure that's gonna all the features that's available on mobile are available here as well. So hopefully, so let's say it's installing. Start now. So let's say how the interface looks. Just testing the environment. Hopefully this looks like a Windows video editing software, not like a mobile, like a tiny screen. So yeah, so your computer can run CapCut smoothly. Confirm, right? Okay, so let's say. Right, there you go. So that's opened. So similar to, you can sign in and you can start creating, you can maximize it. Oh, you can minimize it. You can't maximize. Is that minimize? How do you maximize it? Oh, it's quite small. It's quite a small screen. Can you make it big? No, you can't make it big. Quite disappointed. What's this? Settings. So you can go to settings. So you can do, where do you save your file, cache, size, and edit. Image duration, free layer. So what's a frame rate, performance, and everything. So hardware recording, you can choose those things. Language, so which is pretty good. So questionnaire, sign in. So yeah, so this is how it looks. I'm not sure how it's gonna be user friendly as it is. I prefer like a full screen, but I couldn't find a way that to full screen it, this feedback. So I'm sure this is just a release. So hopefully this will be very useful. Maybe I'll try and edit a video and see how this goes. And hopefully this video is very helpful. If you try it, and let me know whether it's any good apart from the mobile device, or is it how it's comparing to the desktop devices. All right. I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching.